Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, our group going to present MAT263 Assessment 3 video presentation from class CS1113D, Group 1. In this presentation, we will be presented by 4 people. For presenter 1 is Muhammad Farid bin Muhammad Khalid. For presenter 2, Luqman Al-Hakim bin Amran. For presenter 3, me, Muhammad Syafiq bin Khairuddin, and the last presenter is Ahmad Syami bin Abu Zahir.
In this video, our group will present a topic about application in Gaussian elimination method in burger stall. So we move to introduction. Amin is a new burger seller in Taman Seri Rembau. He wanted to calculate the expenditure of burger stall that have been bought and determine whether it exceeds the budget limit. Then he recorded the data for his first month of burgers ingredients. Amin had budget want to spend for his burger stall for 50 ringgit salad, 90 ringgit patty, 80 ringgit sauce and 90 ringgit bread. The data are shown below. For week 1, 3 packets of salad, 9 packets of patty, 5 bottles of sauce and 15 packets of bread. Week 2, 0 packet of salad, 2 packets of patty, 1 bottle of sauce and 1 packet of bread. Week 3, 1 packet of salad, 3 packets of patty, 1 bottle of sauce and 4 packets of bread. For week 4, 0 packet of salad, 4 packets of patty, 2 bottles of sauce and 3 packets of bread.
Then, the purpose of our study. First, to find the price for single amount of the ingredient. Second, to find the price for each ingredient in 4 weeks. And the last one, to determine the burger stall expenses in a month. And then, we proceed to the methodology. Step 1 is letting the ingredient. Let X1 equal to packet of salad, X2 equal to packet of patty, X3 equal to bottle of sauce, X4 equal to packet of bread. The linear equation that we use are 3x1 plus 9x2 plus 5x3 plus 15x4 equal to 179. Next, 2x2 plus x3 plus x4 equal to 22. Next, x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 plus 4x4 equal to 50. And the last one, 4x2 plus 2x3 plus 3x4 equal to 49.
For the next steps, since we're using Gaussian elimination method, we need to form the augmented matrix first. We need to key in all the data about the ingredients into the matrix by moving the equations about the ingredients on the left side of the matrix and moving the constants, which is the total expenses of each week, on the right side of the matrix, like the diagram below. Secondly, we need to reduce the matrix to the row echelon form REF by performing the elementary row operation ERO. There are 3 types of ERO, such as interchange 2 rows, multiply rows with non-zeros, and lastly, add or subtract the scalar multiple. The purpose when we are reduce the echelon form is to make each row contains a leading one until if any all zeros rows occur at the bottom of the matrix. The solution of the REF are shown below. For the third step, we need to use the back substitutions method to solve the matrix. So, from the matrix that have been reduced to the row echelon forms, we get our x4 is equal to 5. From the row 3, we've got x3 plus 3 over 2 x4 equals to 14.5. Then, we substitute the x4 into the equation. We get x3 plus 3 over 2 times 5 equal to 40.5. And then we will get our x3 is equal to 7s. From the row 2, we've got x2 plus 1 over 2 x3 plus 1 over 2 x4 equals to 11. Then we substitute our data into the equation. We get x2 plus 7 over 2 plus 5 over 2 equals to 11. And we will get our x2 equal to 5. The last row, we have x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 plus 4x4 equals to 15. And after we've substituted, we've got x1 plus 50 plus 7 plus 20 equals to 15. And we will get our x1 equals to 8. From step 3, we've got all the price for each unit of ingredients from the matrix. Now, we want to total up the purchases of each ingredient for 4 weeks. For x1, which is packet of salad, we've got 3x1 plus x1. Then we substitute the price. We've got 3 times 8 plus 8. And we will get the total purchase is equal to 32 ringgit. For x2, which is the packet of patty, we've got 9x2 plus 2x2 plus 3x2 plus 4x2. And then we substitute the price. We got 9 times 5 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 5 plus 4 times 5. We got the total purchase of packet of patty is 90 ringgit. For the purchases of bottle of sauce, which is x3, we've got 5x3 plus x3 plus x3 plus 2x3. After we substitute the price, we've got 5 times 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 times 7. And we've got the total purchase is 63 ringgit. For the x4, which is the packet of bread, we've got 15x4 plus x4 plus 4x4 plus 3x4. We will get 15 times 5 plus 5 plus 4 times 5 plus 3 times 5. And we will get the total purchase of packet of bread is 115 ringgit.
Then the result and discussion. From the step 4 in methodology, we can conclude that the amount of Amin spent for salad is 32 ringgit Malaysia, for the patty is 90 ringgit Malaysia, for the sauce is 63 ringgit Malaysia, and for the bread is 115 ringgit Malaysia. After we add up all of Amin spent for the ingredient, we get the total amount that Amin has spent 300 ringgit Malaysia in a month.
Conclusion: in this study, we have found price of each 4 type of burgers ingredient, where RM for pack of salad, RM5 for pack of patty, RM7 for bottle of sauce, and RM5 for packet of bread. This computation tells us how much Amin spent in 1 month at his burger stand. Salad cost 32 ringgit, patty cost 90 ringgit, sauce cost 63 ringgit, and bread cost 115 ringgit. According to this research, Amin spent 300 ringgit every month on his burger business. Based on the result, only bread are over the budget, which means the budget for bread is only 90 ringgit, and others are still in its budget. Despite the fact that the bread budget surpassed the allow limit, the entire budget did not exceed the restriction because Amin authorized up to 310 ringgit for his sales. Based on the above, we can infer that the Gaussian elimination approach is an appropriate way to utilize in order to obtain the total price for each burger ingredient.
Lastly, for references we use is from YouTube, which is about how to find the determinant of 4x4 matrix and Gaussian elimination with 4 variables using elementary row operation with matrix. So, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.